going to give you 5 items. 5 items you could use at home that are already in your house to create bomb YouTube videos for free. So if it is that you're interested, then stay tuned. For you guys who are home and you want to know what you need to start a YouTube channel, then this video is for you. I'ma share 5 things with you that you need to start a YouTube channel today. So my friends out there, and y'all know who I'm talking to, hinted Tiana. And if it is that you're worried about things that you need, and you see people on here saying that you need camera and lights and this and that, what are you doing? So this video is targeted to those of you who want to start YouTube channels, or you have started one, created it, but you don't know where to go after you've created a YouTube channel because you're worried that you may need big camera, you're worried that you may need ring lights, you may need big studio lights to make your video. When sis, no bro, no, you don't need it. So let me tell you 5 things that you're going to need to create your YouTube channel using things you have at home, right? First thing first, you don't need no camera, you don't need no flash, you don't need no lens, you don't need no camera. You do not. Sis, you see that lovely little thing you have in your hand that you're watching this video on, called your cellular device, whether Apple, Android, Blue, as long as you have camera front or back, you already have a camera. You already have what it takes to put something out on YouTube because you already have the recording device. Just get a memory card, put it in so that you have extra storage, and let's go. The next thing that you're going to need, but is not really necessary when you're starting out, but you're going to need to invest in, is a mic. I started out using just the mic that comes on my cell phone, but I needed my sound quality to really be up, so I invested in a mic. It wasn't expensive. I think it was about $8, $9, $10, don't quote me, but I'm gonna put a screenshot here and I'm gonna put a link down below. So if it is that you need a mic, go and get your mic. The next thing, are you counting? That's 2. The next thing that you will need is what? A backdrop. You're gonna need a backdrop, but I'm not telling you to go out here and spend no $200 and get no studio setup, or go out on Amazon or B&H and buy no Savage paper backdrop or no seamless backdrops. Nope. The wall inside your living room, inside your bedroom, the walls for your house can use. And y'all know, if y'all watch my channel, if y'all are loyal subscribers and you've watched my videos from beginning, then you know sis started out with her wall. My wall is green and that's where I started. I wanted to bling things out a little, and then I invested in this bad boy, which is the face or the back behind most of my recent videos. And this I got from wish.com, or you can go on the Wish app and you can order it. This was just a trial piece because I wanted to see what Wish was about. I really like it. It's thin, but it's not see-through that you have to worry. And y'all know the quality of my backdrop, so yeah, that's my backdrop. I also change these frequently because they're small pieces of material. Now we have local craft shops here, and the material that I use, I don't go and purchase it. I use things that are already in my house. You have a plain color bed sheet. If you have a pretty color or floral, or your shower curtain, can use as a backdrop. Hang it up, hang them up, pin it up with some thumbtacks. Use some nail and hang on. Use some clip. Put it up. Put it up. Yes? Tell them put it up. Tell them to put it up. You put it up. You sit in front of it. Position your camera. And you record. If it is that your front camera is not up to quality or you don't like it, flip your camera around and record. Use your back camera. If it is that you're worried about not being in sets and stuff like that, you can put a mirror in front of your phone, flip your camera around so that you can use your mirror to see your reflection in your phone, to know when your phone is going out of focus and stuff like that. Because then one thing you don't want is to record on your back camera and then your video is out of focus that you have to go and re-record. But your phone can be used. I use my phone, or else I'll show you what's going on. I am not using my camera because I like the flexibility of using my phone to record, and then even if I'm on the road, I can import my videos into my mobile app, edit them, do whatever I have to, and then straight up to YouTube. And easy mathematics. The next thing that you will need, boo, is a tripod. No, boo. Yes, I am a photographer, and yes, I'm supposed to have tripods. Would y'all believe it if I tell you that my photography equipment that I have, I don't use them at all with my YouTube videos? Roy showing y'all how these. Yeah. You can use your chair. You can use a stack of books. You can use a selfie stick, because if you don't know, and I'll probably try and find my selfie stick and show you guys, because I don't remember where it is, but your selfie stick can be used because it can be extended and it's good for when you're vlogging and stuff like that. Oh, the sun is shining in, so excuse the little harsh lines, but that brings us to the next point. You don't need no ring light. You don't need no studio lights to make no video. Use what you have. And you see how the sun is bright and it's all up in my face? Yes. You position yourself in front of a window where the sun can beam onto you and show what's going on. That way it's bright, it's free. You don't have to worry about nothing. You don't have to worry about nothing. Easy. 365 days of sun. You have lighting. What more you need? What more you need? What more? What more, my sister, my brother? Please to tell me what else I want. So why is it that y'all sitting around and not creating the channels? I'm waiting to hear. You don't have no reason. Please go create the channels, record your videos, and be great. That has brought us to the end of this video. So if it is that you found this video informative, please do the noble thing, do the awesome thing, and just drop us a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because we're going to keep bringing you gems so that you can be awesome on a budget, because we're promoting doing things on a budget, doing things for yourself, saving money until you know you can make some money and invest and get greater. So that has brought us to the end of the video, guys. See you again in the next one.